Today, I'll show you how to remove background noise from your recordings in Audacity. So, let's get started. First of all, open your recording in Audacity. To do this, head over to File and then click Open. Now, select the audio track to which to want to apply the denoise effect. After that, identify an area of your audio that is perfectly silent and then select it. It's helpful to record 5 to 10 seconds of silence at the beginning or end of your recording for this purpose. Once you've selected that silent area, go to Effect, then Noise Removal and Repair, and then choose Noise Reduction. After that, what you want to do is click on Get Noise Profile. This will capture the background noise from that section. Next, select the entire recording. You can do this by holding Ctrl and pressing A on your keyboard. Once your whole audio track is selected, go to Effect again and choose Repeat Noise Reduction. Audacity will now process the entire file, removing the background noise. And that's how you remove background noise from your audio recordings in Audacity. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.